Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest air fryer potato chips in minutes. Now your traditional potato chips use a lot of oil, but we've perfected it and we can get the perfect crispiness in the air fryer without using excessive oil. To start off with, you're going to slice your potatoes using a mandolin. This helps you get nice thin potatoes which are perfect for getting that crispy texture you want. Our mandolin helps us get the crinkle cut, but if you have a straight one, that's also fine. Once you've sliced your potatoes, you want to use a paper towel to just get the excess moisture out the potatoes. This is really important to getting the perfect crispy potato chip. Now what we found when we've been testing this recipe is you need a small amount of oil just to coat the potatoes to get that perfect crispy potato chip. You also want to season it well with salt to taste. Give that all a really good mix to make sure all of the potatoes have a thin coating of oil and salt. You then want to place your sliced potatoes into the air fryer. It's really important here that you do it in a single layer to get that perfect crispiness. You then want to air fry the potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Don't forget to flip them over halfway to make sure they're perfectly crispy on both sides. And that's how you can get perfectly crispy potato chips in the air fryer in minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment about your favourite chip flavours. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes.